Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy recipe. You can do it as an appetizer. You can do it as party favors. You can party food. You can do it as breakfast Christmas morning. You can do it just whenever you want to. These are called ham Swiss Parmesan crescents, and basically crescent roll, some ham, some Swiss cheese, roll them up, and then you'll make something fancy on top, and then that's it. You can change out the meat and cheese to whatever you want. I'm sure it would still work. So this is what they look like in the end. Not really pretty, but I'm all about function and practicality, not being too pretty. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do another batch of these. Okay, so I'm going to use, cheap crescent rolls. It doesn't matter. Let me open these up. Just cheap crescent rolls, Walmart brand, it's fine. You're going to need 8 counts. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take them out of the package. You're going to take them out of the package carefully. And you're going to tear them along the perforations. And you're going to paste some fat on the cookie sheet, okay? Go ahead and, you go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. And I'm using Black Forest ham. The recipe calls for honey ham, so you can do either one. So get your Swiss cheese. I got this sliced because I thought that would make it easier. And then I cut it on a diagonal. And then I'm starting to place it now on the crescent rolls. I'm just going to set it on here. Probably better with a couple of slices instead of just one. But I'm running low. So I'm just going to do the best I can to get through this recipe. Because I made, that first batch. Take them and you start at the bottom wide edge and roll them up. Then you get an egg. Take the egg out and kind of beat it just a little bit. Let me show you. With a fork. Because you're going to kind of use it as an egg wash. And I took these seasonings, oregano, basil, and garlic powder. And I mixed them all together in a bowl. I'll show you that. So what you'll do is you'll take your egg and you brush it on. So you need the egg wash to help the seasoning or herbs stick. That's it, except for one last little thing. I went to Aldi's and got this Parm. I do always get the shredded, but this one's more of a grated. And so I'm going to sprinkle that on there too. That's it, 350 for about 15 minutes. And then I will show you what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, so this is the finished product with the crescents. Like I said, you can use different meats and cheeses and spices also. And it's perfect for anything, whether it's breakfast or dinner or lunch. Hey y'all, today I am going to show you another Crockpot meal. It's a chicken noodle Crockpot meal. I don't really know what the name of it is. I got it off of Facebook Reel. So I'm going to go ahead and put my not completely de-thawed chicken breast into the crock pot. And I sprayed it first, and I've already got it turned up on high. So let's go ahead and get started. You need a pack of Italian dressing mix. And you need, I'm going to put 2 cans of cream of chicken soup in. And you need about a cup or 2 of chicken broth. You're going to cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. And then you're going to shred it. And then we're going to add a few more things. And I'll show you that whenever we get to that point. Okay, y'all. So it's almost time to serve. And I'm going to put in cream cheese. And we're going to let that melt. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I got the cream cheese melted. Now it's time to put in the pasta. I'm just using rigatoni pasta. I think. Yeah, I'm just using rigatoni pasta. I want to use penne. That would probably be better. But I went ahead and cooked it. So all you have to do is add it. Get all that in there. Stir it up. And then you can stir it. And that's it. Then you can serve it. I added the whole box. It was 16 ounces, I believe. Yeah. All right, and that's it. You can go ahead and serve. It's ready to go.